Do you want $2,000 worth of NVIDIA for free? Yes, you heard that right. Picol Exchange is giving away $2,000 in coupons to trade NVIDIA NVDX without using a single penny of your own money. And the best part? If you lose, they pay. If you win, you keep the profit. It sounds too good to be true, so let me show you exactly how to claim this. Here is the strategy. When you sign up and complete KYC2, you get 10 coupons worth $200 each. These are for the NVIDIA Grid bot. You activate them, and the bot trades automatically. Since you are using coupons, your risk is zero. If the market crashes, Picol absorbs 100% of the loss. But if the bot makes money, you withdraw the profits to your wallet. There is literally no downside. Use all 10 coupons immediately. Now, if you want even more free money, look at the 50% deposit bonus. Deposit $1,000, get $500, but warning, this bonus is margin only. It does not cover trading losses, so do not gamble with it. Instead, use the hedge and extract strategy. Open a position on Picol with the bonus and an opposite position on another exchange. This makes you market neutral. You use the bonus margin to safely farm yields or capture spreads. I have linked a detailed bonus monetization guide in the description. Read it to learn the math. Before you run to sign up, remember these rules. Expiry futures bonuses expire in just 5 days. Withdrawal trap. Withdrawing any amount forfeits all bonuses instantly. Registration. You must sign up via the link below first to qualify. The event ends on January 22nd. Go grab your free NVIDIA position right now. Link is in the description. See you in the next video. This is not financial advice for information only. Crypto trading involves high risk. This post contains affiliate links, which may earn me a commission. Trade responsibly.